Lovely 2H, just had the turbo system put on. Doing a few inspections, just started it back up again. Obviously you've got your air cleaner. Normally that went straight to there, into the motor. Now it goes across down to the turbo. Then the turbo out puts the air back over in that pipe back into the engine. So really straightforward and simple. You can see a water line here, it's a water-cooled turbocharger. Yeah, arguably maybe not needed, but there can't be any arguments about things being done right or wrong because it's the best of the best. So I'll get a bit of a road test under this thing shortly, cleaned up and bathed, and just an exhaust connection to do underneath, and should be ready to go. To see more of these videos, keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat or TikTok, or look us up at BerrimaDiesel.com, where you can find out more about turbocharging your diesel four-wheel drive.